Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting showdown between two security cameras. In the left corner, we have the eufy Security SoloCam S340, and in the right corner, we have the Hugolog 3K5 megapixels indoor pan tilt security camera.
Let the battle of the security cameras begin. When it comes to video quality, both cameras offer impressive features. The eufy Security SoloCam S340 captures every event in ultra-clear 3K resolution, providing enhanced dual camera clarity at 50 feet.
On the other hand, the Hugolog 3K5 megapixels indoor pan tilt security camera boasts a 5MP 3K resolution, delivering high-definition video that feels like a movie playing in your living room. Additionally, the Hugolog camera comes with Starlight color night vision, ensuring clear footage even in low light conditions. Moving on to features, the eufy Security SoloCam S340 stands out with its solar-powered design. Once installed, you don't have to worry about changing batteries or finding an outlet.
It's like having your own personal solar-powered superhero.
On the other hand, the Hugolog camera offers smart motion tracking and 360 degrees coverage, acting as a little detective that follows your every move. It even has two-way audio and an alarm siren, serving as both a personal bouncer and a friendly doorman.
When it comes to storage options, the eufy Security SoloCam S340 offers local storage with no monthly fees.
It's like having your own personal vault for all your precious footage.
On the other hand, the Hugolog camera provides the option of both US cloud storage and a built-in micro SD card slot.
It's like having your footage stored in a top-secret government facility.
With the Hugolog camera, you can ensure all your videos are safe and protected. Now let's take a look at what customers are saying about these cameras. Overall, the eufy Security SoloCam S340 receives positive reviews for its video quality, ease of setup, and solar-powered design.
Customers appreciate the clear video and the ability to check on things from anywhere.
On the other hand, the Hugolog camera is praised for its HD video quality, motion tracking, and versatile features. Customers find it easy to set up and recommend it as a reliable home monitoring device.
Well, there you have it, folks. The eufy Security SoloCam S340 and the Hugolog 3K5 megapixels indoor pan tilt security camera battled it out, but both are worthy contenders. It's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best.
Let us know in the comments which camera you would choose. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and check the description for links to these products.
Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.